Guys, good morning. Pwede kayong umorder sa akin ng hindi pa luto na empanada. So, prepared for cooking. So, ito chicken to, yung may orange na color. So, while ang beef is to be followed pa. So, yung beef na, yung pork pala namin, so walang kulay. So, yung chicken, ito yung kulay orange. So, yung beef is ginawa ko na yung pisanada. So, maybe next week yan. So, come and order now.